Welcome again on Igbo History TV. I still remain your brother Chiso Natugo Star Lord. Um, in this video, you will learn a lot of things on how to manage kidney sickness naturally without going for dialysis. I'm telling you this from experience. I once have had a brother who has this kidney sickness, and we are able to manage the sickness and reverse the kidney failure through natural ways. Doctors won't tell you this because in recent times they are making a lot of money through dialysis in the hospital. None of them will tell you all this. Once you have been um, once you have been diagnosed with kidney failure, they will always recommend dialysis for you because they get a lot of money from there. So I want you to follow this natural method to reverse your kidney failure. Kidney disease is natural. It's just like every other sickness. It has cure. It has natural cure. This is what you are going to do. You have to follow these uh, food recipes. Like you have to be eating these vegetables, fruits that I'm going to mention now. I'm telling you this for free. Yes, this is just to help life. What you are going to do for me is just to follow this my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification icon for more updates. As you follow me, you are going to be learning a lot of things in this channel. Always drop your comments and tell us your mind about this. Once you have been diagnosed of kidney disease, these are natural ways you can be able to manage the sickness. Because in the past, we have this sickness always is very rare in the past in our land, but recent times has become very rampant. So I want to help our people and tell them another way and another natural way to manage it aside going for dialysis, which the doctors will always recommend for you. This you can be able to manage kidney sickness through eating these vegetables like scent leaves, borode, that is water leaf, um, this Garcinia cola, which is bitter cola, uh, um garlic, ginger, cucumber, watermelon, carrot, oranges, all these fruits, guava. If you make them your friends and always drink water and avoid much intake of salt and sugar, and also avoid anything alcohol during this period of time. If you're experiencing weakness or tiredness every time you are tired, Garcinia cola, that bitter cola will always be your friend because it can help you, can help rebuild, can help refresh your kidney, can help uh, 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 make your kidney well again without going for dialysis. If you are taking all these native plants I'm listing now, like otazi leaf, most of these vegetables I have listed, I've listed already. So I make them your friend. It can help make your reverse that your kidney failure, and you will live your normal life again. But try and avoid those things that I listed. Anything drug, avoid it. Anything medicine, avoid it. Only fruits and vegetables is what is going to help you in this period of time. Try and avoid anything salt in this period of time. Try and avoid anything salt in this period of time. One of the most important of all the fruits and vegetables that I have mentioned above is odopo, which is resurrection plant or miracle leaf in English. This with bitter cola will help you, will help your kidney, will help reverse your already damaged kidney naturally. Naturally. Doctors won't tell you this, but I'm telling you this for free. You can try it and you will regret it. If you want to know how you can be able to how you can be taking all these things, you can inbox me. You can inbox me, and I will tell you how you can be able to how can you can be using these things, these natural ingredients to help rebuild your already damaged kidney. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Just subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification icon for more updates. Thank you and remain blessed. I still remain Chiso Natugo Star Lord. Have a nice day. You will enjoy our next update because what we are building is great. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.